In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Microsoft account in Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now to get started, first of all, you need to launch Windows settings. Now to do that, we are going to go to the taskbar, then go to search, then search for settings. Then open settings. Then once you are here, you are going to go to the accounts, then your info. So it will land you here. So we need to switch to local account instead. So you are going to see this link here, sign in with a local account instead. Click on it, then click on next. Then here now you are going to enter your Microsoft account password. So I'm going to do that. Then okay. Then it will land you here. So you need to change, you can change your username if you want, and you can also enter your new password and confirm the password. But if you want it to be passwordless, we are just going to leave it as it is. So once you have done that, I'm just going to leave it as it is because I'm going to sign in again with a new Microsoft account. So just click on next, then click on sign out and finish. Guys, now after you have signed in again in your Windows, again we will go to the Windows settings. Just press on Windows icon and letter I at once to open settings. Then go to accounts. Then if you go to your info, you will see that now you are having a local account. So in order to switch to another Microsoft account, you will just go to sign in with the Microsoft account instead. Click on that link. Then this pop-up will appear on your screen. So you need to sign in with the Microsoft account, the one that you want to change. So I'm going to enter the email here, then click on next. Then we'll send a code to the email to sign you in. So click on send code. Then the code will be sent to your email. So you need to go to your email and come and write the code here. So I'm going to do that. Then click on sign in. Then enter your current Windows password. So you need to do that. If you did not set password, you just click on next. I did not set Windows password, so I'm just going to click on next. So if you like to set a Windows Hello pin, you can set, but for me I do not want to set it, so I'm just going to click on X. And as you can see, guys, I've changed my Microsoft account in Windows. So this is another Microsoft account. So that's it, guys. That's how to change Microsoft account in Windows 10 or Windows 11. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.